Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, we're gonna swipe down from a top or right side right here to get the control center, and you wanna click on the plus button right here, so you can edit it and add a control right here. And obviously you're looking for a screen recorder, so just tap on it, gets added. You can click anywhere on the screen. This will disable the editing mode. And now click on the record. Once you're done, you can interact with this dynamic island. Click on the square to stop the recording, and this will save it to your Photos application. So let's navigate in here. Now, the fastest way to find your recordings would be to navigate into collections, and in collections you will find videos, and in videos you'll find your screen recordings along with actual videos that you have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.